We have this program here, we call it like the Driver of the Month program, where we interview drivers who are, doing really well and, seem to have some advice or feedback to kind of offer the community. So maybe first, can you just start by just telling everyone your first name and where you live?
I'm Cameron, and I am in Phoenix, Arizona. Born and raised here. Love the platform. It's been pretty sweet, man. It's definitely been very helpful for me in just transitioning the way I was kind of going about my business. So grateful that you guys exist. I work with a group called Sacred Sons and facilitator within the organization, and essentially just kind of work with men to kind of come together in like brotherhood, accountability, and just basically working to be the best, man that you can in your life, and to show up for those in your life that are important. So I have a 2015 Ford Transit. It's actually the wagon that was converted to a cargo van. It's the medium roof, so definitely got a decent amount of space.
And are you thinking about upgrading the truck or van to something bigger or longer in the future?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 26-foot Freightliner M2 will be the next vehicle. So I'm gonna just go big, and then I'll get a 26-foot box truck. So that'll be nice, and then I can do the big boy loads.
Yeah. Yeah, those 26 footers are nice. You could fit anything basically in the back of those. And yeah,
oh yeah,
as far as GoShare is concerned, I mean, yeah, there's even more lucrative opportunities for those 26 footers.
One thing I've noticed with you guys is you have a decent amount of helpers on staff too, at least in my market. So like anytime that there's something that's scheduled, I've had something get scheduled within like an hour, and me and a helper are there on the spot. Whereas some of your competitors are a little bit different, and it's more scheduled in blocks, and you got to do different things. Where you guys are just on the point, and like I don't know, if I were using the service like that, I would love that. Everybody that I've worked with has been so professional and so taking care of the client's goods.
Yeah, taking care of the customer's cargo is paramount, and I think we have always tried to instill how important that is to every driver who joins the platform.
I can see how much energy you guys are putting in behind the scenes to get the contracts that you guys are getting. That's huge, right? I know in my market, that's what's allowed me to be so successful right on. My first full week, I grossed almost $1,900 with you guys. So I was like, dang, that's huge. And that's because you guys have these contracts with Sherwin-Williams and with Costco and Home Goods. And so these are big retailers in the Phoenix market. So it keeps a lot of business coming.
They're great customers, all the ones that you mentioned. And yeah, it's, it's a good way to kind of keep a steady flow of opportunities coming in for the drivers.
This is huge. So I love the ability to for example, taking a pallet run from Phoenix to LA, okay? I love that I can reach out to you guys and you guys can turn me on in LA. And then I could while I'm out there, be able to source jobs before I come back. That's freaking so sweet. I used to drive Uber, and you can't do that with Uber or Lyft or those guys. You have your market and that's your market. You can't just turn it on in a different market. So, I think that's a really awesome opportunity.
Yeah, especially for those long distance ones. If you're going all the way from Phoenix to LA, if you could squeeze in, one or two more while you're out there, or that are coming back in the general direction of Phoenix where you're going, why not?
I love the leaderboard. That's freaking awesome. That's been really cool. I got #1 in Arizona last month, so I was like, hey. And I think I was 9th in the nation.
I think it makes it more fun overall for everybody who's participating in it, because everyone, it gives people the recognition that they want. Hey, I'm #1 right now, and That's cool.
It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. It's fun. Communication in every way, it'll end up helping the customer out. It may save you some time, and it may help you get your jobs done earlier so you can get more done and get back home with your family sooner. So that's a big point. I just think communication, man, that's life.
It is.
So
it's so important. I think you hit it right on the head. You're doing it 100% right. Talk to the customer, talk to the helper. That open communication will solve 99% of potential pitfalls or problems that you might come across. And so I think that's great advice for other drivers. Hey, thanks again for the feedback and for hopping on the call. It's great to get your perspective on these things.
Thanks, Shaun. I really appreciate it, man. It's a pleasure talking with you, and look forward to hearing from you guys again soon.
Yeah, nice meeting you too, Cameron. And we'll talk again soon.
All right, brother.
All right, take care.
Peace.
Peace.